So how all began? At the end of 12th century, we had a princes, brothers, three brothers, Aurelians, Mopsus, Bertold and Constantine. So they built a monastery here with the Bishop John, who was leader of our religious center. And he moved his religious center here near Noravank Monastery. But after we got looted and we had clash with Mongol Tatars, and they burned everything nearby, everything that you see, everything gone to ruin. So in there we have a classroom, I will show you after. Everything they burned down. But Georgian Queen Tamuna, or Tamara as we say, she came for help. And we won the battle. After that, the brothers, they asked Momik designer to design new monastery complex, and we had architecture who was a genie, Cyranes architecture. So Momik started to design and Cyranes began to act. After that, we have these new monasteries, two monasteries. The first one named was Bertalashen after one brother, Aurelian, but after we changed the name to Holy Mother of God, and the next one is Saint Karapet. It is named after one of our bishops. Let's go in front. If you see the stairs, they have meaning. So these stairs, when we started to build the stairs, we took some phrase from a Bible. So as difficult and hard it is to enter the doors of heaven, as difficult and hard it is to climb the stairs to climb up there. So this monastery has two grounds. Sorry, in one ground people are coming and lighting up candles, praying. And the second ground is for a choir and orchestra to sing and play some nice music. Actually, we have it. It's actually Saturday and Sunday because people from city, they prefer to come for their to arrange their wedding or engagement here, like outside of the country. Like we have many churches in the city, but they prefer to come here. Yeah. So about Momik designer. Momik was a miniature printer who lived in 12th century, and he was the first person who designed not how God created a human, and about Jesus Christ that was always on the right side of God. After that, actually, brothers of Aurelians, they in their hairs are still here. People like saying that they can feel their existence because they are buried here, and it's a family and royal tomb. And actually, no matter that this is a tomb, people are walking on it. Why? Because they believe when we are walking, their spirits is lighting up, and we can feel the existence. It's just a saying for me. Because imagine when children running. No, actually for me it's just the same, but people do believe in that. Also there are two small houses. They are houses of Momik designer, family tomb of Momik designer and Sirales architecture tomb.
They stayed here and
Yeah, they stayed here.